What up, you got Mr. Smith, point 0.5 of Mr. and Mrs. Smith. And in this brief video, I want to tell you how someone used our system and were able to accomplish some phenomenal things, and how you can do the very same thing or get access to the very same system that she used in order to make that a reality. There'll be a link available below. It takes about 3 minutes for you to get started and get access, and depending on when you're watching this video, you can get access to it for less than $40 a month. So literally, you would probably spend that in a day. You probably already spent that today, but the question is, did it help you get closer to your goals, help you better your credit, help you increase your cash flow, help you get on track to building wealth? Well, anyway, let's get to the story. So this testimony comes from a queen by the name of Bunny. Bunny was able to go from homeless to homeowner. That's right, from homeless to homeowner. And the thing about it that I love is that when she was in a situation of being homeless, she didn't let that keep her from making the decision to move forward and take action. You see, many people will use their current scenario as an excuse of why they can't do it. In her scenario, she used it as a reason why she had to do it. You see the difference? Same scenario, but some people use it as an excuse why they can't do it, but some people use it as a reason why they must do it. So she got out of a bad relationship, and it found her or led her to being homeless, living in a car with her 3 children. She was feeling like she was a complete failure, feeling like she didn't deserve to be a mother. Obviously, she was in a low place because she was living out of her car. All she had was her kids, and she did have a job. However, somebody introduced her to our system and told her, hey, I think this could be something that could benefit you. There's something that can better your scenario. And she decided that she wanted to go ahead and give it a shot because it was a reason why she should. So as a result, our system taught her in our first strategy how to increase her take-home pay at her job by over $600 a month. That started getting more cash flow and better positioning her to not be in that tough situation. In addition to that, she started to use our system, and our system helped her take her credit up to the next level, so that new cash flow as well as the credit allow her to go from homeless to homeowner. Now, I'm going to read what you see on the screen. You probably already read it. If you're like me, you probably were looking at the details of her example. But she said in less than 4 months, she was able to delete or remove $200,000 in collections. $200,000 worth of collections removed in less than 4 months. That's pretty powerful, all using our system. Now, we restore credit on behalf of those who want it. So if that's something you want, you'd rather want somebody to do it for you, set up a consultation. However, we got a DIY system that allows people to understand it and get an understanding for it themselves if they have the time to do it. And it's not like it takes a lot of time, but some people just, are like, I don't want to do it due to whatever reasons. However, this queen was able to use the DIY system and get $200,000 in collections removed. And here's the breakdown, just so you know it's not fabricated numbers. She said, I've been able to remove $67,000 in student loan collections. That's number one. $100,000 in medical collections, and 31 other items from my credit report in 4 months. My credit was a 524. And it's now 777. Drop a 777 in the comments if you know you personally can benefit from a score of 777. Then she went on to further develop it to a score of about 835 or something along those lines, at least 820 plus, just from using our system. So that's the power of our system. And when she told this story of her going from homeless to homeowner, there was a lot of teary eyes in the room, obviously, because they can feel her story and hear the sincerity around it. And her kids were able to witness her come out of that slump, come out of that situation, and now she's thriving and able to use the same system to help others do the same. And now she's helping others do the same, and as a result, our system is paying her weekly, residually, so that she was able to leave her job and do this full time, showing people what allowed her to get out of that situation and get into a better situation, having a better credit score and more cash flow. If that is not enough for you to say, you know what, let me go ahead and hurry up and find that link that Mr. Smith is talking about, I don't know what it is, but it's $39. Depending on when you're watching this video, you can get access to it. So if you click that link and you go through the enrollment form and you see that the basic membership is just $39, take advantage, because that price is typically higher. And even if it was $200, I promise you it will be worth it. If it was $500, I promise you it will be worth it, because the return on investment. We help people save hundreds of thousands of dollars in interest just off of having a good credit score. We help people minimize their taxes, increase their cash flow in more ways than you can actually imagine, and you'll get access to it. So even if it was $1,000, it will be worth it. However, if you see $39, take advantage. Don't think about it. Don't pray about it. You spent $39 on something that did not bring you the level of value that you'll receive by getting access to the system. So go ahead and take advantage of it. Highly recommend it. And you will see another option on there. That's for the person who also wants the travel membership that gives them up to 70% in travel discount. So if you're a big traveler, then you'll get the membership that includes all of the financial pieces you needed. The basic membership includes all of the financial pieces that you need. So if you just want that, by all means, you can get that and get everything that you need, including the DIY system that allow her to take her credit to the next level. However, if you also know that you want to benefit from a travel membership, then definitely you can get access to that. It has some business building things that come along with it as well. It could be tax deductible for you if you choose the upper package. However, if you just want the basic, then that's all you have to get. But click that link and get access. Now, I'm also going to give you a brief tour of what you'll get access to from a credit standpoint, just so you'll know. So basically, you'll get access to what's known as the income shifting membership. As the testimony just said, income shifting testimonial. So our membership is the income shifting membership. In the membership, you get access to these things. This is the pay raise strategy. We give you a blueprint on how to make that happen. A debt elimination calculator, game plan on everything you need in order to make your debt go away and have a debt freedom day. Investment education, cash flow manager, so you can properly manage your cash flow, as well as navigate your debt elimination game plan, plus have an investment game plan in order to know how to multiply your money based on the interest rate that you're able to get. Whole other conversation, don't want to confuse you. But the My Credit System is what I was primarily speaking of. So let's give you a snapshot of what it is and how you get access to it. So basically, once you get yours, this is what it'll look like. You come in. After you go to the income shifting membership, you'll go to the My Credit System. You click Get Started. You'll see module on top of module on top of module. And typically, we show people module number 4. But I'm going to click on it. I'm not going to open up anything because I don't want to have to download it. I already have it. But basically, as you can see, it's showing you step by step. And we highly recommend going through the process in order, not skipping around. Go through it in order because there's some nuggets that you'll need in every video that came from a previous video. But all of the letters are available. Downloads, etc., videos, short videos, straight to the point, no fluff. You can see these are short videos telling you what to do, how to do it. Download after download. This is just module 4 that I just tapped into. So we give you the blueprint, the order of operation that you need to take in order to better serve you, in order to help you take your credit to the next level, all inside this one system. This is the same exact system that Bunny was able to use in order to knock out $200,000 in collections in less than 4 months and go from homeless to homeowner. Click the link. I look forward to welcoming you and telling you congratulations, sending you the next steps so you can get a return on your investment. It's more than about you signing up for me. I want you to get a return on your investment. I want you to invest the $39 or the $99 in yourself and realize, you know what? It really didn't cost me anything because of what I got back in the form of cash flow, better credit, less interest rate, lower tax liability. Was worth way more than I could ever imagine, even though it only cost me $39. So do not confuse low cost with low value, because many people do. And because of it, that cost associated with missing out on the opportunity is more expensive than the $39. So click the link, get started right now. Watch first on your mind. Don't think about it. Go ahead and get access to it. I'll get a notification and I'll text you personally what you need to do next so you can maximize it. I add you into our private group so you'll have assistance, guidance throughout the whole process. But nonetheless, I just wanted to share this story with you because I knew it can benefit you as it's benefited many others. That being said, that's all I got for this video. I see you on the inside, Mr. Smith, signing out. Salute.